Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Ranjit K. Alphonse, licensed counselor psychologist. I am okay. Are you okay? Yes friends, let's find out what type of an attitudes that we have. Stay tuned to this video. Transactional analysis (TA) is a model for understanding personality of the humans, their communications and their relationships. Eric Berne, a Canadian psychiatrist who founded this model, he speaks of many interesting psychological concepts like PAC ego states, where P stands for parents, A stands for adult, C stands for child. When he speaks about parents, he differentiates between a nurturing parents or critical parents. Adult, he speaks about a data processor, a scientific part of personality, intelligently rational and practical. Third, when he speaks about child ego states, he differentiates between two types of children. One, he speaks about natural or free child or adapted child, where he speaks about a child is obedient or rebelling attitude. Then he goes on to speaks about six types of strokes, where he speaks about conditional stroke, unconditional stroke, positive, negative, indifference, and so on. In this video, very specially, we will discuss about four basic life positions or attitudes. Children interpret to themselves the way they are handled or dealt with. Whether the treatment by others is objectively good or bad, not the questions, but rather how the child interprets the treatment. Along with the way one is reared, one gets a lot of message either directly or indirectly from the parents or significant others. With these, the child makes a decision about himself or herself and others in terms of okayness or not okayness. Children reared badly or neglected in childhood are likely to have life position as not being okay. They may also think that others are not okay. Hence, let's now see four basic life positions. The first one, I am not okay and you are okay. The sulk attitude, the introjective positions. It's a self-abasing attitude, belittling oneself, a neurotic, depressive, masochistic stance. Perhaps a child starts with the position due to utter dependence on others. People of this position deny whatever they might have as strengths and are conscious of their weakness, even to the extent they go to magnify their weakness too much. Such people are introvert in nature. They have lots of inferiority complex. They believe life is not worth living. They have too much of negative attitude. The second position is I am not okay and you are also not okay. The loser attitude, the schizophrenic position. Here, no one's life is worth living. This is an attitude of hopelessness and futility. They have no hope that something can be done and life can be improved. They feel that they have no support from within and outside. Such people basically reject themselves and others. They can't trust in themselves and others. They blame themselves and the world. Third life position is I am okay, but you are not okay. The arrogant, the sadist attitude, the projective position. This is the position of ultra independence. Outwardly, these people think that they are all right. In fact, deep down within themselves, they feel they are not all right. Besides, it's also possible that they were victimized in their early life. Whatever psychological pain that they received in their lives, they inflict the same onto others unless some therapeutic interventions take place. Since they had been victimized, they think that the society is to be blamed for all that the sufferings that they are enduring. Therefore, they take revenge onto the society. Actually, their not okayness is projected onto others who may be healthy and normal. Take great delight in ill treating, humiliating, and teasing others. In this position, one thinks that he or she is superior and the life of others is not worth anything. Therefore, they treat them as inferiors. Such people are bossy and demanding in nature. They consider that their life is more valuable than others. They are completely very negative towards others. Fourth life position is I am okay and you are okay. The winner attitude. Get on with others. It's basically a healthy position. Here, okayness will mean I feel alright about myself and about you. It's not a question of being perfect, but being comfortable with myself as well as with others in the normal conditions. I accept my strength and weakness and intend to improve on my weakness as much as it is within my conscious control. Definitely, it's a game-free position. Such people they accept themselves and others. They have a mutual respect for one another. They believe that life is worth living. They are highly positive people. Yes, we have seen four basic life positions and attitudes. We need to develop a winning attitude whereby I am okay, you are okay. Friends, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Thank you.